Welcome to the Minitab Express webcast on how to conduct a one-sample t-test. For this webcast, we will use the sample dataset pulse rates, available through the dataset library on minitab.com. This dataset contains the heights and weights of males and females who participated in a research study. For example, the individual in row 1 is male, 66 inches tall, and weighs 140 pounds. Suppose we want to test if the average height of males is equal to 70 inches. Before we can conduct a one-sample t-test, we'll first need to separate the males from the females. To perform this type of data manipulation, we can use Data Unstack Columns. Here we can tell Minitab Express that we want to unstack the data in the height column using the values in the gender column. Here in the data pane, we now see that we have female heights in one column and male heights in another column. To test if the average male height is equal to 70 inches, we can use a one-sample t-test found under Inference One-Sample T. In Sample, we will enter the male height column. Then select Perform Hypothesis Test and enter the hypothesized mean of 70 inches. Suppose we also want to create a box plot to visualize the results. To add a graph to the output, click Display and then select Box Plot. Here in the output pane, we see some descriptive statistics followed by our test results. With a p-value of 0.0234, we can reject the null hypothesis and conclude that the average height of males is significantly different from 70. Looking at the box plot, we can see that the confidence interval for the average height, shown here in red, is greater than our hypothesized mean of 70 inches. For help interpreting any of these results or to export your results, simply click this arrow and choose Export or Help. And to save all of your work, including your data and output, choose File, Save. This concludes the webcast on how to conduct a one-sample t-test using Minitab Express. To learn more or to download a free 30-day trial of Minitab Express, visit minitab.com/express.